Hello creative ones, this is Robin Dudley House coming to you from my studio in Los Angeles, California. I am in the creating mode for a show I'm doing called Glitterfest, and I'm making earrings and jewelry, and sometimes when I make jewelry, little small earrings, I like to put them in these tiny little matchboxes. And I thought, well, maybe I'll just do a little tutorial for you on how I make these. So basically you just take a matchbox, just a regular blue and white or blue and red matchbox, and let me grab one and I'll show you what I'm talking about. So you can get these at the 99-cent store usually, or if you don't have a 99-cent store that sells them, you can still actually get them at regular grocery stores, and they're not that expensive. You get a full, I think, 12 packs for, under $2, under $1, and they're just like this. So I like to take these and make cute little gifties. I call them gift boxes. And so what I do is, for these ones, I just took some craft paper and I cut it to the dimensions to fit, wrap around it once like this. If you don't have craft paper, you can just use a paper bag, and then I distress them with ink. And my go-to is I used to be a demonstrator for Stampin' Up, so I have this mustard color. It's called Warm Mustard, but any kind of mustardy kind of ink pad, and then a brown ink pad, and I'll just take it with the sponge and rub all over it, and then I'll just take the edges after I've made it kind of yellow looking, kind of old, and I'll take the brown and I'll go along the edges here, and I do that all over, and I do the sides too for this particular project. And then so once that's done, I already have this one kind of in progress. So these are little perforated tags that I bought a couple years ago, and they're from Jenny Bolin. They're cute because they're all perforated and they have numbers on them. These are from 2012, so they're kind of old, and I don't even know if she's around anymore, but it's jennybolin.com, so who knows, you might be able to find them on eBay. And I layer them with little tiny bits of dyed cheesecloth. This one I actually dyed with some Thai tea. I don't know if you know what that is. It's kind of a loose tea, and it's kind of a reddish color. So just little tiny bits, and I put some of them underneath. Usually start with the cheesecloth. This is just some cheesecloth, and then tiny bits of old lace. And I rubber stamped them with a spider web with black ink to start. And then I just glue all that down. You can hot glue it or just use tacky glue. And I put a sticker on top. This one has a bat sticker. This one has a spider sticker. I got these stickers recently. I believe I got them at the, shoot, I can't remember where I got them. I think I got them at Target. Oh, nope, these are from Hobby Lobby. So these are available right now. It's 2018, so these are kind of cute, and they were only $2 for the whole packet. And I just stick it on there, and you have this cute little box ready to go for your earrings. So these are the earrings that I made. I just posted them on my Etsy store, and I'll be sending these out to the people that bought them. But you just punch 2 holes in a piece of cardstock. This one I embossed, and they're a little bit big, but they still fit okay. Kind of squished them in there. And then you can make it into an ornament too with, put some ribbon on top. So here they all are. This one I put a picture of, you know, Edgar Allan Poe on there. And these are little gears. You can use old watch gears. They're super tiny. I think these were from Hobby Lobby. Here's a couple of them right here. But if you have the real deal, you can use those too. So I hope you enjoyed that, and happy Halloween!